Nurses at Essentia Health's 2nd Street Clinic voted unanimously to join the Minnesota Nurses Association union today. And nurses say they needed to unionize to be able to collaboratively negotiate employment terms, working conditions, and more. They say they look forward to negotiating their first contract in what they call a more equitable and respectful workplace. Now, while the decision only impacts about 10 nurses at the 2nd Street Clinic, the MNA represents more than 20,000 nurses in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and North Dakota. Essentia Health responded this afternoon to the union vote. Leaders say as they move forward, they want to continue to focus on patients. They believe maintaining a direct relationship is best for their colleagues. They respect their decision and will continue to bargain in good faith.